Welcome to my channel. I'm Rose and I want to show you guys what my welcome kit I receive in different stores. And before that, I do the Baby Registry and their apps. So I claim, guys, especially for now, I have Target. Here, guys, this is the welcome kit of Target, guys. And then when you claim, guys, you need to give the code of your baby registry. You need to apply first or registered first in baby registry and their Target apps. Also, I have a Walmart kit, guys. I also do the registry in Walmart store. So for now, the Walmart store not yet give to me the welcome kit, but they said they mail it to my address. And this one, I have sample for this one. This is the welcome kit that Walmart will give, but this is the doctor give to me during my checkup. This is because Walmart give to the or OBGYN doctors to promote their baby registry. That's why I have this from my doctor. And let us see what inside of the welcome kit from Walmart that you give to the doctors. And for their patient, this is the welcome kit, guys. Here, this Tupperware, lot of Tupperware, Huggies. This is the Huggies, guys. So this is their inside of their welcome kit box. And then have BB Dab. This is the BB Dab. And then Johnson's cotton what is this? Wash and shampoo. Then we have oatmeal. This is the for Walmart box, guys, the welcome kit. And then they have Aquaphor, diaphragm piece. Sorry, guys, my husband is opening the door. That's why it's loud. It's very loud, my husband. And they have art feeding. Like this. So their guide, guys, to feed the baby. And then you have this card, your baby register perks. Congratulations. So you have a congratulations card and advertisement for the Dove, baby Dove, the dishwash. So they have this, guys. They have this also for your guide when you buy or choose to the registry items. Here you have this one. So they have a guide, guys, if you want to put the registry items, guys. So they have a guide. This is the kit from the doctor. We have a card sheet, guys. What's this? Go check this. I never opened this, guys, so I don't know what is inside. Oh, they have this, guys, month old. So they have like a card and 2 when your baby is month old, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 1 year, guys. 12 months. All of the numbers card, guys, for baby, how old the baby or how months old the baby. So they have the free of this, guys. So it's so nice. So you need to, but I have coming welcome box from Walmart because I also registered to their baby registry and their apps. So I want to show you guys how to do the baby registry in Walmart and Target in my next video. For now, this is the kit that I received from my doctor, and this is the sample also that you can get from the Walmart and baby registry welcome kit from your own registry. So this time this is from the doctor or my OBGYN doctors. This is the kit that they give to me. Open the welcome kit of Target. So when you claim this, guys, you go to the Target store. So you go in the customer service and show them your baby registry, and they go to the option for the code. So they will assist you about the code. This is my welcome kit from Target. So let's check what is inside. Oh, this is the, wow, it's nice. So this is the diaper. Let's check. Let's check. I don't know what is inside, so we will check. We'll open it so we can see what is inside of the diapers. So, wow, look at this, guys. They have the coupon. This coupon, guys. They have 1, 2, 3 coupon, and welcome card. We have wipes and the diaper, newborn diaper. So I have no worries about the baby wipes and diapers. At least I have one piece. Oh. Here they have another diapers. The brand is Huggies. This one is Pampers, and this one is the Huggies one. So I have two diapers now. Oh, this is the breastfeeding sample. So this is the free kit in the kit, guys. And then wipes. The brand is Honest. And wipes again. The water wipes. This is the water base of wipes, guys, and this is nice. And then the baby bottle I received. Baby bottle. Oh, there's a lot of welcome kit and Target. Very nice. The baby bottle. And this is newborn, the detergent soap. So it's nice, guys. I use this one in our clothes, so this is good brand for the newborn baby, and this is nice, guys. And I smell good. They smell good. Okay, and next is the milk flu. This, guys, show this. And the stretch mark lotion, massage lotion. I have a lot. You have also a healing piece of the Aquaphor. This is the sample. And another one for baby bottle also. This is from Target. And next, this is the boogie wipes. And then the baby wash and shampoo. A lot. And then Johnson's baby lotion. There's a lot. And they have a card for Target. So, and a free bag. So we'll check how many items that they give for welcome kit for the baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then they have 3 coupons, so for 15, 16, 17 guys items that Target give for the free welcome kit of your baby. So this is nice, guys. This is free. I love it. And you can't imagine that I never know how to register, but I have friends and Walmart friends told me to register also in Target, Walmart, so I can have a welcome kit from the different stores. So this is, guys, what I did, and I hope the new mommy coming, you do also what I did in my baby registry. So that's also for your baby shower. Show to all your friends, you share to all your friends about your baby registry, and hope they will send you the gifts from your baby registry. And that's also a good savings, guys, because new mommy, and that's a good savings for us, so that they have also give a discount if you have a baby registry. All stores give a discount for items that we choose in the baby registry. So, and thank you for watching, guys, and for new mom, congratulations, and me also a coming mom. So we pray for our safety and a normal delivery. And thank you, and have a good day. God bless. Bye. Oh, anyway, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like my video or my channel.